Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8. We are delighted to have you and would like to extend our warmest welcome and good wishes to all of you. You are the students who are enthusiastic, creative, and have a great learning attitude. It's really great to have you in the journey of online support program. Dear students, let's start with the content of week 15 of literature. Textbook Moby Dick by Herman Melville, page numbers 82-83, chapter 8, and the topics that are going to be covered in this video are exercise, character sketch of Fedella, and a letter. Resources required are video, novel, and dictionary. Let's have a look at the introduction or summary of the lesson. As we have previously discussed the overall summary and the extract of chapter 8. A few weeks after whaling, the Pequod meets a Nantucket ship called the Bachelor, a whaler filled with the oil and headed home. The crew of the Bachelor valorously celebrates its success, and the two captains briefly share their very different opinions. Have a look at the objectives that students will be able to comprehend the concatenated events of the novel, analyze the character sketch of Fedella, analyze and identify the comprehensive aspect of the chapter and letter related to the obsession of the Captain Ahab. Let's have a look at the textbook. You have to solve exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 on page number 82 and discuss orally the follow-up activities at page number 83. You have to draw the character sketch of Fedella or the mind map of character sketch of Fedella and write a letter that related to the obsession of Captain Ahab. That is your question number 6 on page number 83. Okay, dear students, let's analyze the character of Fedella. After the analysis of character, you have to write the mind map of character sketch of Fedella. Fedella is the harpooner whom Ahab secretly smuggles aboard the Pequod in order to staff his whaling boat. Fedella's origins are mysterious, and we know little more than that he is a Parsi or Persian fire worshipper, that he wears a black Chinese style jacket, and that he has his long white hair wound like a turban around his head. Fedella also likes to stand in Ahab's shadow so that he seems strangely, not to cast a shadow of his own. Ahab is convinced that Fedella is going to help him wreak his revenge on Moby Dick, especially because Fedella has prophesied that various impossible things such as seeing two different weird hearses on the water have to happen before Ahab can be killed. Yet, Fedella seems a lot more excited about the possibility that he is helping Ahab to his doom than he does about any kind of possible triumph for Ahab. It's somehow fated, or maybe Fedella just strongly believes that Fedella must die before Ahab. Dear students, let's discuss the home assignments in brief. Work to be done on the book. Chapter 8, Comprehension, page number 82. Question number 1. Read the following statements and decide if they are true or false. Let's discuss part 1 of this question, that the Bachelor didn't have much whale oil. This statement is false, as we all know that the Bachelor was the happiest ship that met Pequod. Question number 2 is match the two halves of the sentences to make an appropriate sentence. The Bachelor brought the Pequod good luck. Okay, now question number 3, vocabulary part. Complete the sentences with the appropriate words from chapter 8. Let's do part 1. I must dash that I am responsible for what happened. I must confess that I am responsible for what happened. Now let's have a look at question number 4, that is do the crossword. You have to read out the given statements and then fill up the crossword. Let's do first one. Very short in time. That is brief. 2-1 is one who never dies. That is immortal. Okay. After this, let's discuss the follow-up activities of question number 5. You have to discuss orally these questions, that have you ever experienced a storm? What other types of extreme weather do you know of? What is usual for your country? You also have discussed all these such type of questions in your natural disasters chapter. Okay, let's discuss the notebook work. Mind map of character sketch of Fedella, as we have previously discussed in the previous slide, that the character sketch of Fedella in brief. Question number 6 is, imagine that you are a Starbuck. Write a letter to the family telling them what happened on the day of the storm and why you got so angry with Captain Ahab. Explain how you felt and what do you thought about the captain's obsession. You have to write a letter with a complete format and think yourself in the place of Starbuck, and then write a letter to your family and tell them all the story or all the events related to chapter 8 in detail and in brief concepts. Thank you and have a nice day.